Myself, John Kumar Annar. I'm studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, subject Java Programming and third semester. Topic list declaring object and faculty name is Anbulakshmi ma'am. Exploring the world of objects in programming. This perform production. This presentation will explore the fundamental concept of objects in programming. Programming providing an constructive understanding of how they can be declared the initialization and manipulated we will be developed into the autonomy of an object and its key complements and including the properties and methods throughout this journey we will use particular example to illustrate each concept and concepts. What is an object? Data representation. An object is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming representing a real-world entity. Data representation refers to the method of presenting and sharing the data in the form that computers and humans can perform and understand and manipulate. The concept is circularly in the computing and various fields like computer science, information technology, or digital electronics. Here as breakdown of different aspects of the following representations. Numerical data representation. Numerical data representation can be represented in the various forms with binary, oct, and decimal and hexadecimal and being the most common. Character data representation. Character, letter, digital symbol are stored as numerical codes. Image representation. Image representations are typically represented in digital form using pixel data and audio representation. Audio signals are typically represented in digital waveforms. State and behavior. Object encapsulate data properties and acts method that define their state and behavior of autonomy of an object. Properties. Data attributes the storage information about the object like this name and age or color. Methods. Functions are procedures that define the object's action or behaviors. Declaring objects. Syntax. The specific syntax of declaring object is varies depending on the programming language used to use. Object identifier. Each object is signed as an equivalent and identifier to distinguish it from the object. Initializing the object. This is assigning the values. Assigning initial values to the object properties. Construct functions. Specified functions that create an initialization objects. Initialization object refers to the process of creating and setting up an object in an oriented program by analyzing initializing value to its properties, also known as attributes or fields. Initializing ensures that an object starts in a valid state, meaning it varies and set to a known values when the other object is created. Constructor. A constructor is a specific method in a class that is autonomically can when then an object is initialized and its primary process is to initial the objects and define or provide values and deflect customers. If an constructor is defined, many programming languages will provide a difficult or a different constructor that initialization of object fields with different value. Example null or zero or false. Parameterized constructor. A constructor that accepts parameters and uses them to initialize the object fields and specific values. Copy constructor. A constructor is created new objects as a copy of an existing object usual by copying its value. Example in Java. Public class person and private string name and private int age. Default constructor. Public person. This name is unknown. This is age is 0. Parameterized constructor. Public person string name its int age. This name is equal to name. This age is equal to age. And the public void display. System mode print 10 is equal to name plus age plus age. Public stack void main string arg and person and person on new person calls deflect constructor. Person to new person aligns 25 calls parameterized constructor. Person 1 displays output name unknown age 0. Person 2 displays output name analyze age 25. Accessing object properties. Dot notations. A common method for or accessing properties used as dot operator. Bracket notation. Another method that uses square brackets and the properties of names as a string. Modified object properties. Direct assignment. Assigning a new value to an existing property using method. Initialization of method specifically designed to update object properties. Deleting object properties. Delete operator. The delete word is used to remove a property from an object. Object mutability. Objects are mutable and meaning their properties can be changed or removed after creation. Thank you.